How to collect gifts in Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can collect gifts in the Raid Shadow Legends game. So here's how you get started. First of all, launch open the Raid Shadow Legends application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in from the main home page or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button on the left hand corner and look for the Daily Login Rewards tab and click on it. And then click on the collect button if you have a reward shown on the page. Once you do that, you'll be able to collect the daily login rewards. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the purchase and rewards section, and if you've got any rewards, you'll be able to see it on the page. Now go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the quest button, and if you've got any rewards to claim, it will be listed on this page. Simply click on the claim option to claim your rewards. I've claimed all of the rewards whatsoever from this page. If you complete any kind of a quest or missions, you'll be able to claim the rewards from this section. Look for the red little mark on every option over here, and once you click on that, you might be able to claim some of the rewards and collect them. Some gifts may require you to watch a short ad or complete an in-game event. Go ahead and follow through the instructions to collect your rewards. The collected rewards are added in your inventory. Now go to the bottom left corner and tap the shop icon, and there might be some rewards you can claim. Go ahead and tap on the free option and claim the rewards. And there are so many areas out there in the game from where you can get free rewards and claim it on daily basis. So that is how you can easily claim your rewards in the Raid Shadow Legends application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.